includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Adams, Calumet, Columbia, Dane, Dodge, Fond du Lac, Green Lake, Green, Iowa, Jefferson, Juneau, Kenosha, Lafayette, Manitowoc, Marquette, Milwaukee, Ozaukee, Racine, Richmond, Rock, Sauk, Sheboygan, Vernon, Walworth, Washington, Waukesha, Waushara, Winnebago, and the adjacent coastal waters of Lake Michigan. This is only a test. No severe weather is expected. Practice your tornado preparedness plans. This is a test message. Do not take action based